Green empowering minds with sustainable energy solutions. Energizing futures. Mining operations in Papua New Guinea face critical energy challenges. Remote sites often experience power outages that disrupt production. Most rely on diesel generators, an expensive and logistically difficult solution. Transporting fuel to isolated areas adds further cost, while diesel use increases environmental impact. At Green, we're powering mines with smart hybrid systems with solar and diesel working together. Reliable energy, lower emissions, better performance that's clean, efficient, and built for the powering mining industry. Mining is changing and renewables are leading the way. At Green Limited, we're driving that future. Join us. At Green, we are dedicated to delivering innovative, reliable, and eco-friendly energy solutions that power progress and impact lives.